everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can create Google Play Store account on your Android phone. So creating a Google Play account on your Android phone is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do that. First of all, you have to go to your phone setting. Once you are on your phone setting, you have to scroll down and tap on the accounts. Just scroll down and go for the Google account here. So once you are on your Google account, if you have already an Google account, you can log in here, and if not, then you have to create one. Just go for the account and sync. Here you can see that. So just go for the Google account. And here you will find your Google account here, and you have to sync it. And after that, you can go back and go to your Google account here. So if you don't have a Google account, to make your Google account, you have to just tap on your Gmail and go for the adapter account here. Once you are here, go for the Google account, and you have to create your account. So here you have to verify it's you, and you have to enter your first and last name. So here you have to go for the create account here and go for the my personal user. And once you are here, you have to write your first and last name and just go for the next option. And after that, you have to fill out the information, and you have to provide your basic information here, just like this. And you have to write your gender and tap on the next here, and you have to write your email address and go for the next option. After that, you have to write your password too. Once you are done, go for the next option, and here you can see your Google ID. Go for the next option. After that, you have to go for the I agree the terms and policy and following the on-screen instruction here. And here you can see that you have been successfully logged into your Gmail, and go for your profile here and scroll down. Go for your profile and scroll down, and here you can find your Gmail ID. After that, you have to go back and open up your Play Store. Once you have opened up your Play Store here, you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top right corner of the screen, and after that you can go for this, and here you have to select your Gmail ID. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily create the Google Play Store account on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.